Hi, this is me from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video we're going through all this crap. If you do not know, I have been going through all of my stuff. I am whittling down the things that I don't use, the things I haven't touched in a while, and this is just the next video in the series. You get to see me go through my crap and get to see me decide what I want and don't want to keep. We're going to start with this one because it doesn't seem as crazy as the other ones. So, all the doilies. I'm going to keep the doilies. You never know when you're going to need a doily, and while they're not really my style, I do think they add something to scrapbook pages, journaling pages, so we're going to keep those. Index cards we're going to keep, but they're not staying in my craft stuff. I don't need them for crafting. All right, then we have a ton of flashcards. Is that all of them? That seems to be all of them. Okay, so we have a bunch of flashcards and cards. I am going to get rid of all of them. I'm going to get rid of all of them. Yeah, plain and simple. I'm going to get rid of all of them. There's these cards that I like to use as journal pages. So we're going to keep those. It's another doily. And these are going to go. They're going to go. Okay. Oh, I found more. Oh, I found Dr. Seuss ones. Let's see. I feel like I want to keep these just because of the words. And I think there's another. Oh, Pooh's First Words. Like, I think these are good to journal with when they have words. But these ones are... No, you know what? If I go down this route, guess what's going to happen? I'm going to keep all of them, and I don't use them. They sit here. I don't use them, you guys. Very rarely do I pull them out, and I can't keep keeping stuff. Right? Right. All right, what else is in here? This pad, going. Oh, here's more of these things I like to use as journal pages. Here is this Golden Girls quote cards. I like to use these, once again, as journal pages. I got these tags ages ago at Ollie's, like a long time ago. I wish it had a date on it. When are these actually from, though? I don't know. There's no date on. Oh, 2016. They are, you can color them. I'm going to tell you that I have never once pulled these out to use them because I forget about them. However, I would like to use them, but I think I want to use them, see if I can use a lot of them in scrapbooking. Like, I think like these would be really cool. Look at that one on a scrapbook page. And I don't feel the need to color them. If I would want to, I could, but I'm going to put this on a scrapbooking cart. All right, what else is in here? More paper, don't need. These little note cards, don't need. Paper, don't need. Stuff that I've had since 2023 and have not used, don't need. Don't need. This I use in journaling, all my extra little, that I use in journaling. This I use in journaling. These are bingo cards. Americana, yeah, I'm out. There's labels. Okay. Let's just get rid of all the crumbled up stuff. Another index card. And that is it, guys. That's everything. This is all I'm keeping out of this one. Yeah, look at that. That is not much at all. I'm very proud of myself for that one. There we go. I'm going to put the index cards back in here till I figure out. That way, actually, you know what? They're going to stay in there because then I know where they are when I need them, and I'm not going to lose them. Facts. All right, now this one. I'm just going to start pulling everything out because I don't even know what's in here. I'm going to be honest. I have no idea what's in here. Okay, these plastic bags I used for cookies last year, those stay. No, I never use them. Never have I ever used a single one of these napkins in crafting. I'm most likely going to take them upstairs and use them. Okay, so those bags. I have these McDonald's bags here from, oh, these are like old 2024. I think both of them are from 2024. Yep, so these are 2 years old. And they're from whatever this was. I don't remember. I'm going to keep them because they're paper bags. All right. And then the popcorn bags are going to get kept. Okay. These little plastic bags I use for storage. So those are going to get kept. These, you guys know, are some of my favorite pockets. And I don't know if Target has them anymore. These I'm going to keep. These long ones I'm going to keep. These small ones here. This is punched. I'm just going to put it in there. Okay, these things I don't use. Oh, this is a long... These little bags here never get used for anything. I don't know why I keep them. I don't know why I keep this stuff, you guys. Because I always have the feeling that I'm going to use it. Little bags. Here's a wine bottle bag. That would be really good. More of these little bags. And because I have the best kit ever, a fry thing. Clean, never used. I asked him to bring me one home and he did. So we're going to keep that. We're going to keep this. And that gets that down. So what I'm getting rid out of there is all of these, which I think I'm just going to put in my Destash pile, and all of these. I don't even know. Dryer ball set came in here. Like, these are so, like, but I never use them. That's just a plastic bag. I never use these kind of things, so why should I keep them? So, they're gone. All right. Oh, and then there's a tag. I'm just going to throw it back in there. So, this is what it looks like now. Not too bad, right? I mean, I didn't get rid of a lot in here, but a lot of this is just bags. A lot of paper bags and a lot of pockets. I'm good with that. Thank you guys for joining me today. Oh no, something just fell off of me. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.